Hey y'all, Giovanni. So, corrupt judicial system trick number 2. So here's another thing they'll do. Protective orders, okay, against somebody. I've always said, especially men, if you are in the process of separation or divorce, you at that very moment, you become at risk. You're in danger. You need to get away from your spouse or get her away from you. You need to have minimum contact with her. Because the dirty trick that they'll use, especially if you have kids, and I can put up a video if I want that'll expose how they push this trick. What they will do is they will try to get a protective order against the man, for example, and once they have that, and you always have to sign these things. Once you sign it, you're signing your rights to your children away, regardless if you were in the error or not. So I give you an example. Let's say you have an altercation with your wife. Something happens, and the police are involved. Regardless whether if it's right or wrong, but especially if they get involved and it's wrong, not for righteousness' sake. What they're going to do is they're going to try to get in contact with you because there's going to be a complaint that's going to be made against you. And what they're going to say, the police officers are going to say, we have a complaint and we want to talk to you. We want you to come to the police department so we can resolve the matter. Do not go. Never put yourself in the position where you go in this unjust, wicked system. If they say that they've got something against you, well, you say, you know where I live, get a warrant and come and get me. That's it. Because if you place yourself in there, they're going to put the handcuffs on you, regardless whether you are right or wrong. They'll tell you, if you want to be liberated and not go into prison overnight, you sign this piece of paper, and that piece of paper is going to be the conditions about you staying away from your family, from your children. At that very moment, you have lost your access right to your children. So you never willingly go into a police court, in a police station, even no matter if they intimidate you, no matter if they coerce you. You say, you want me? Come and get me. And even if they put you in jail, you wait. You don't sign nothing. And I know the temptation, I've been through that, and I failed, and that was one of my flaws. I've been manipulated and coerced into putting my signature on that piece of paper. Had I known, I would have said, go ahead, put me in jail and wait to speak to a judge. I'm telling you, folks, this is no joke. This is real. You can't make that up. So, every time police wants to speak to you or wants you in their custody, they need a warrant. Second, if they have that, you do not sign any piece of paper. Hold it up in jail until you speak to a judge. That's your best 2 bets. All right, y'all. Hope y'all stay encouraged. Bless y'all.